Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Startup Academy, your online gateway to get success in ISS exam. This academy is exclusively for ISS and we have been covering the topic 3 which is uh, time series in which there are several topics, one of which is time series, and we have completed the harmonic analysis method. In today's lecture we'll do one numerical on how to find out the harmonic analysis or the moving or how to find out the harmonic analysis in a table, or how to find the cyclical component in a table. So let us begin. Okay, so we have been given a data of in which years and quarters of the data is given. So we have to find the first of all seasonal index. Also, seasonal index has also been given, and trend has also been given. So we'll find the remaining the 3/4 moving totals of the totals. So year and quarters. Year and quarters for 2001 till 2004. So 2001, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Similarly for 2002, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. 2003, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So these are the tables that have been given, and the original data, which is YT. And we know that YT is nothing but equal to trend into seasonal into cyclical into random component. So YT has been given as 274.4, 260, 2.4, 222, 224.9, 284.1, 261.9, 233.5, 190.6, 274.3, 281.4, 243.4, 218.0, and 335.6. And the seasonal indices, how do we can use any method for detection of seasonal indices. Either it can be simple average method, or it can be ratio to trend method, ratio to moving average method, or link relative method. If I use simple average method, then the seasonal indices calculated is 108, 96, 82, 114, 114. Again, it will repeat 108, 96, 82, 114, 108, 96, 82, 114. These will be the seasonal indices. Now, if we have to find YT is equals to trend into cyclical into random, then we have to divide this by seasonal indices. And this would be YT upon seasonal indices into 100. The formula for this column would be this. So if I divide it by ST and then multiplied by 100, then I will get 254.1, 273.3, 274.3, 249.2, 242.5, 243.2, 232.4, 240.6, 260.6, 253.5, 265.9, and the last one is 294.4. So this will be the value of our YT. Now we are only left with trend, cyclical and random components. So now we have to find the trend. So trend can again be find it out by using any of the methods. You can use the methods like the ones which we have used in in finding the trend, any taking average method, or taking any of the equation method, least square equation method, any of the method you can use. So by using any one of the method, we have found out the trend value as 242, 244, 248, 250, sorry, this 246, 248. We have used the average method. You can use any method. 250, 252, 254, 256, 258, 260, 262, and 264. Okay. Now again we'll divide this YT. If we have to find YT is equals to cyclical and random component only, then we have to divide YT by this trend component and multiply by 100. If we find out this, then we'll get 105.0, 112.0, 111.5, 100.5, 97.0, 96.5, 91.5, 94.0, 101.5, 111.5, sorry, 101, after that 97.5, and then again 101.5 and 111.5. I'm directly writing the answer, so you can check while calculating on your own. You can use any method. The answer should be nearby this or equal to this. Okay. Now we'll calculate the 3/4 moving totals or moving. First of all, we'll calculate 3/4 moving total, and then 3/4 moving average. So if we are calculating for 3/4, first and last one would vanish. These two will vanish, and in the middle we will be getting 328.5, 324.0, 309.0, 294.0, 285.0, 282.0, 286.5, 292.5, 300.0, 310.5. And the if we are calculating for 3 quarters, then we'll divide it by, the average will be done by dividing by 3 only. So it would be 109.5, 108.0, 103.0, 98, 95, 94, 95, 97.5, 95.5, 100, and 103.5. So this would be our final answer, or we can say this would be a final YT, where we got rid of the trend and seasonal, and we are finally left with CT, uh, which we call as cyclical component and random component. And these two random component, we'll understand how to evaluate that in the next part of the chapter. And seasonal cyclical component can be eliminated by this, what do we call this, harmonic analysis method. Now in yesterday's lecture we did harmonic analysis method. So harmonic analysis method is an important method for drawing the periodogram. So that derivation which we did in previous lecture is very important for our exam point of view. That derivation plus periodogram. Periodogram we'll continue doing in the next lecture, and I will explain you how is harmonic analysis done for periodogram. So, in today's lecture, we only had to do this. How do we calculate, or how do we, by stepping taking one by one step, how do we eliminate different components or different variations from our time series data? So this is how we calculate that. I hope you got what we have done today. If not, then you can ask in the comment section or on the WhatsApp channel, howsoever you want. Only relevant doubts will be answered, and keep on working hard. I hope that you are regularly watching videos and covering your syllabus simultaneously. If not, then I would suggest you to do it every time I'm suggesting you to do it, or you lose hope at the end of the paper, because it is a tough exam and we need to do things. And if you have done that, then you have to re-revise for the exam. Okay, so this was all for today. All the best. Thank you.